Hello guys, welcome to Learn with Vyom, and today I'm going to be showing an update on the old terrarium and how to make a better one using plastic jar. Let me show you. So this is the old terrarium. As you can see, there's not much plants growth and only algae and moss growing everywhere. Let me just show you. That's not plant, that is just algae and moss. And now I'm going to make a better one today. I got some moss over here and a jar over here and a flora Boston fern over here. I got it from Amazon. It's a crown flora Boston fern. It took a few days to come, but yes, it did come. And today we're gonna be making it into a nice home in this jar. It's a plastic jar, so it won't break. Yes, so here are the items we'll be using. I'll give you a little closer look on the moss. Yeah, I know. You can't see because it's a little dark. So when it goes in this jar, you'll see it much better. So first we'll need some rocks to make the layer in which the water can go through. So you can just use any small rock. I'm gonna use these rocks from outside. So I think we'll go by 1 or 2 inches. This is why, because sometimes the water gets overflow, so it can get over here. Next, we have to put the mud. Yes, so I'm back with the mud. So we're gonna be using some potting mix. I got it from Amazon. We'll not use mud, just a little bit. Be sure to take it in a decent size cup. Yes, and I've added just 1 cup. It's not too big. So this is how it will look like. And these are the rocks. Be sure to get a substrate layer so that the mud doesn't go in. But over here the mud is going in. So be sure to get a substrate layer. Or some wire mesh or window mesh. I'm just gonna pat it down a little to level it. And then I'll be getting this fern. 1 minute. Be careful not to break the roots in this process. So I'm just gonna pause the video so you guys don't have to. Okay, so guys, so I added a little bit of more soil to plant it there, and I did a little bit of trim, as you can see, because such big plants cannot fit in here. You can see I had to trim it a little bit. And now we can add the moss. And you might have a better look. Yeah, I know you can't. Somehow. So I'm gonna be using my bare hands because they seem nice. If you don't have some tools or anything, you can just use your bare hands. I promise nothing will happen, but you have to keep watering them or spraying them. If you want their roots to be in the soil, or they won't grow, they might just die. A little bit more. Okay guys, so I added a little bit of moss, and I still know that you guys cannot see it so well, though you see some green stuff. That is the moss, so it will look better when it matures and grows. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some more moss and just let it find its way, because that's what happens in the wild. And next we have to add this layer, but before that we have to add a little bit of water so it doesn't dry up. Okay, and I've sprinkled a bit of water, as you can see, a few droplets on the sides of it. And now let's wait for it to mature and see you guys next time. Bye.